Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to win here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Rummenigge. And he's there to make a great save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
Oh, that's a key interception. Rummenigge. Shapes to shoot. And again the keeper stands strong.
Fantastic stop.
Manchester United with their first corner, the first in the game for either side actually. Climbs up big! It's Runlu in for the follow-up! And that has earned a few nods of approval from the bench. Manchester United, corner number 2 then. Ronaldo tries to clear. And now a sudden chance to counter. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Berenguer. Moved on forwards. Now it's Mohamed Salah. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now that looks a decent ball. Posh.
They need to play this quicker in transitions like this.
Nesta. Ball played for Conte. And here's... Can he put it away? Well, that looked awkward, but he had a... Oh, he's onto this. No, that was never going to make it. Rodri. And it's played forward. Madrid, so far, providing no real test at all for the goalkeeper. Aimed beyond the defence. Rice. Rice really struggling to influence the game.
They're just trying to negate his influence, and it looks like whatever it takes.
Lima, well cut out, no margin for error there at all. And here's the chance to counter. Cafu carries the ball down the right. Now it's Mohamed Salah. And through to the goalkeeper.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover. Look, movement creates more options, and that was really sharply done.
Up to meet it! Goal! No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Yeah, he won the jostle, and it was a very good finish, and I think he'll go away feeling pretty good about that one.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, this will present the manager with a few interesting options, Peter. Try sitting on this or push on with the opposition now forced to come out.
Barrios, well seen, saw that coming. And it's Neymar. Rodri.
It looks very much like they'd be happy to settle for this narrow lead at the break.
That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Neymar is behind this one. And this is a great chance to get themselves back square. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Sticks it away! And the lead lost no time at all!
Well, that's so refreshing. They went a goal down and you never would have guessed it. Their reaction has been emphatic.
That is so good, such sharp... Cristiano Ronaldo! And he was there to get a... Rice. He's got for goal! Massive leap! Just off target.
That is a really good chance.
Cafu. Conte. And it's Neymar. And it's Conte. Played through into space. It's Salah! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
2 minutes has been indicated.
Cafu. Salah. And that interception was most necessary. That's been cut out, well played. Cafu.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
There's the hit! A really close shave, and the last action of the first half. So half-time, and it is all square. Neither able to pull away from the other, but that is not due to any shortage of effort on either side. It's a goodish game, this, and at half-time, it's one each.
57 coming on the field is
Second period then underway.
Substitution in progress.
Van Dijk calmly anticipates, and it's Neymar. He's tried one! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order! And again they hit the front!
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
And very quickly, the substitute made his mark.
That's just...
Shapes to shoot! Hit all square in a matter of moments!
Yeah, they say that fortune favours the brave, and we've just seen an example. This team has real personality and character.
Not a defender in sight. He had all the time in the world.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
So all square, and not for the first time.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback, and this is thoroughly merited. For me, now they can go one better, possibly.
And that has earned a reprieve for the time being. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Mbappe. Madrid needed that. They really needed it.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
He's got the shot away!
He has saved the goalkeeper's blushes there. What great defending.
Araujo. Looking tidy in possession here. And it's Neymar. That's an excellent interception. Yep, it's a corner. Corner number 3 coming up. Berenguer. And that's been intercepted. It's run loose here. And now they can spring out of defence. Conte. Barrios producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Oh, no joy this time. Well, the ball just didn't work out for the run that he made.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
And it's Neymar. Lizarazu. The keeper passes the test.
Neymar sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't...
There's the shot! Oh, surely that deserved better.
That was created because of good life.
Towering header! In he goes again! It's in! Sophistication as doggedness and sheer bloody-mindedness.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
And yes, it's him again. Madrid go into the lead.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Out towards the flank.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Can he finish? And that would have been game, set and match.
Yeah, he knew only too well that to concede then would have been tough to recover from. That could prove a big moment in this game.
Now to Rashford. Good running, strong and purposeful. Fiddles it through. They get a throw in.
Neymar. Number 9, Cristiano
It's a
Ronaldo.
pretty loose pass.
Coming on the field, number 23, number 21,
Adli.
Didier Drogba.
Looking to set free a runner. Oh, great header! They've done it! Into ball clear! Oh, super header, wonderfully acrobatic.
He had a decision to make and he got it bang on. You can't beat a diving header.
Madrid could not have picked a better time to snatch a 2-goal lead. Heads it! Decent enough try. Chiesa. The most accurate pass. Araujo. Adli. Interesting ball. Maldini. Oh, good read. And the referee
Brings it to a close. Madrid always look the more driven side, probably the better side, and nobody is arguing about the result. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim? Well, they approached this with a very definite game plan, and I think to a large extent they remain true to that, and we can give